What's going on, guys? I'll do a little update today. What I got done over the weekend. Did mess with the motor a little bit today. It's a little bit chilly outside, so I didn't do too much out today. Felt like I got a pretty good day's worth in yesterday. Did get the dash in. I got this switch panel out. I haven't decided if I was going to use it or just go with that auto wiring control or whatever, ARC 8000. Got me some pieces to go in the dash. I already cut this piece out, fit right there in the dash, in the center console area. Mount these gauges and that other wiring panel. I finished up the bar, the dash bar. It's all welded in, painted. Got the carpet in. Started putting some seat braces in. I slit the carpet to accommodate the subframe connectors. Trying to make it somewhat look factory. Did get pretty far in the rear end. Got the shocks in. Got the sway bar tabs welded on and sitting up there. Did get the fuel pump mounted. It is up there. It's a little wobbly on this little bracket I got that comes with it, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to see how it does after I tie the fuel line in. So I got fuel line here. I haven't finished running any of it. I'm starting to work on the battery stuff, see what I need to for the battery location. It's not mounted or anything, it's just sitting here. Did get the fuel cell mounted, sitting on some rubber isolators going underneath, and then I had to cut a little hole for my fitting down there. And of course, when you do this, you have to build the firewall. I got, like I said, the shocks mounted up. I used this shock tower brace. It was already in the car, so I figured I might as well just throw it in this car. Does it make a difference? I don't know, but I already had it, so might as well use it. Like I said, can't really see them, but I got a couple tabs welded on here for the steering column. And I just got the dash bolted in right now with just these. I'll try to brace up the bottom later on. It's still a little floppy down here to figure out how that's going to go later on when I get some wiring harnesses running. But haven't decided what I was going to do about all this. I know most of the carpet's going to be hidden by most of the slits in the carpet's going to be covered by the seat. So I may try to make it look a little better right there, if it's real noticeable. But yeah, it's kind of I think a pretty successful weekend. Wish today was a little bit nicer. But I did take the motor mounts out. They seem to be throwing me problems on trying to get this motor and transmission set in straight. So I got it sitting in there. It's fairly level. What I've been working on. Let me get the flashlight. Is on Cobras here. I don't know if it's the same way in the GTs. So you gotta move the transmission mount. Now that's where the original holes are, and that's where I had to move it to line up with the transmission mount. See, it's like 6 inches or something like that. I just kind of set it up there. I had the transmission mount bolted to the cross member here, and then I just kind of set these in straight straight as I could. But they both are drilled right now and bolted up. I know I'm going to make a shorter drive shaft. My drive shaft is too long, but I've heard that before about putting Crown Vic, and maybe it's like that on all the auto 4R75s. I don't know. I heard it's Crown Vics that had to cut an inch out or something of the drive shaft, but we're going to look in that till later. But it's coming along. We're getting closer. I'm hoping to order some more parts this week. Work on the wiring maybe next weekend, and do some of the Holley stuff. Start running wires for the Holley EFI. And still waiting on cams. So it's kind of getting irritating waiting on cams here, but it is what it is. But a few more parts off the shelf. I have a regulator showing up tomorrow. I need to get up the little clips to mount the fuel line. And so we should run this fuel line up somewhere where the old brake line runs, which I'm going to redo all the brake lines on here. But somewhere up here, I'm going to run a regulator somewhere up here. But yeah, that's about all I can update you on. As soon as we get this engine set in straight, feel comfortable, put the tabs on here, scuff it down and shoot some paint on it, and then hopefully the cams will be here by then. Anyways, a little update on where we're at today. Thanks for watching.